So in this lecture we will talk about tab in VS Code. This is a very important lecture as far as VS Code shortcuts go because, most of the time we deal with tabs in VS Code. So how to open a tab, how to move between tabs, how to close a tab is very important. We also have split view, which I don't use it that much. You can move between split views. I really don't use it that much, but if you want to use it, like there's that. There's Zen mode, some people use it, I don't. There's something I used a lot, which is how to close other tabs. For example, you have many tabs open, close other tabs. Let's start with let's close these tabs. How to open a file or a tab. Well, we just do Command P. Let me repeat it, Command P, then type the name, for example, app.js, enter. This is open. Let's open another tab. You can also use the cursor, the arrow keys. So we have 3 tabs open. How do we close a tab? Well, Command W. Command W. But let's open them again. Let's open this. This is open. How do you move between tabs? Command Shift square brackets. Left to left, right to right. Command Shift square brackets. Left to left, right to right. What else do we have? Open recently closed tab. Let's go to this, close. We will close this. For closing, Command W. For reopening the recently closed tab is Command Shift T. But suddenly you say, okay, I will work on README, I don't want to work on the others. That one is Command Alt T. So it closed down all the others, it only remains the currently focused tab. Okay. Then we have split view. Command / opens DB. To move between them, it's the same as moving between tabs. For example, we will close it here, then Command Shift square brackets moves between tabs. To close it is the same, Command W. Then you have Zen mode, Command K, Z. It will remove all the noise and becomes full screen.